I was noted. All right. I was no tender, Sterek. No tender, no supporting. No tender. It's okay, President.
Who are you talking to?
Sorry?
Who are you talking to?
I was talking to President Nelson Chamisa.
How are you feeling at now?
I'm very, very happy. I'm excited.
Check us
It's
through.
like a miracle.
Take us through how life was.
It was a very difficult situation, but nevertheless we managed. The grace of the Lord was upon us, so we managed. We faced so many challenges. It's a very difficult thing to be a political prisoner, because you'll be treated differently from all other prisoners. They see you as if you are more dangerous than all other criminals. So it has been very difficult, but we thank God that today we are here.
What made you go through this time without... You look so strong.
It is the conviction. I believe that I'm in this struggle not because of my choice, but God wanted me to go this path. So politics to me is a calling. It's a calling. We have to do something about this country. The people are suffering. There are a lot of challenges, and you have to be men and women who are prepared to go through this hell for our liberation.
Some died, COVID-19, cholera and other pandemics.
Yes.
Are you terrified?
Yeah, it's terrifying because every day you will be hearing statistics of people who are dying. Even your colleagues who will be sharing stories and everything every day. But we remain resolute. We know that the time will come when all these things will be history. What made us strong is that we know that we were innocent. We committed no crime. I never killed even a chicken in my life. So I know what I was. My conscience was very clear. It was just persecution because of my beliefs.
You were church that day.
I was worshipping. Of all the people in the world, they decided to go and pick someone who was worshipping. They only accused him of committing a murder, but even convicted. He actually almost sentenced to death. The judge was talking like as if he did us a favor by not sentencing us to death, but we were innocent. From the day one we were innocent, and the evidence was there for them to see, but he was disregarding those evidence.
Are you angry with the state?
I'm not angry. I don't have to be angry, because when you are angry, you then lose your objectivity. You see, when I joined politics, I was expecting that things like this would happen. So I'm not angry. I take it as a part and parcel of the journey to free ourselves as Zimbabweans.
Thank you, sir.
When you heard the call today that you've been released and you are innocent, how did you feel?
I was very happy. I was very excited. And I praised God. And I said, thank you, Lord. I was always waiting for this day. I almost cried with joy.
When you were convicted, you had 5 months, 5 weeks term. How do you feel now that you're going to reunite with the family?
It's a painful experience. You know, I was when the first time he came to visit me, he couldn't recognize me. You know, when you are a father and your own child cannot recognize you, it's tormenting, it's torturing. Because I left him when he was just 5 weeks old. So I was now trying to introduce myself to him, trying to bond myself with him. And I'm happy that the family members helped us to reconnect with my child even though I was in prison. So he ended up recognizing that this is my father.
Doctor say one, the hospital and the prison. Each pattern in each room. 5 in one. The second one.
Thank you, Councillor. With me here is Charles Kwaramba of Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights. Last Maengahama, Councillor Tungamira Madzokere, who had been in prison since 2016 in the previous years. Charlie, what happened today? Why are you here? Who are you with?
Well, as you recall, judgment has been delivered in their case. We had taken their matter up on appeal. The appeal was successful. The conviction was set aside. The sentence was quashed. These guys are out. That's why we are here. We are here to collect them, take them home to their families. It has been a long time, almost 8 years now. It's quite difficult for them, but eventually justice prevails.
Thank you, Charlie. Last Maengahama Madzokere Tungamirai Koma Maengahama Tofarama Munamude Koma Maengahama.
Well, we are very happy that the last justice prevailed. It has been a very difficult time for us, but at the end of the day, we are here. We have our freedom. We want to express our profound gratitude to our lawyers for all the work they did. Of course, they would be impatient, but we know they were doing things at their own pace. And we are very happy that they managed to take us out.
Councillor Madzokere.
Yakaoma chaizvo kuramba tine kune nyaya yekuti taipuwa sapoti yemapati members hama neshamwari vaigara vachizotiona ndozvakazoita kuti tive tine hope yekukuraisa taitozonyanya kutorwadziwa nezvaiitika kunze tidarika pane zvaiitika tiri tichimuzoma disabilities zvaiitika pati but tikuri nehope yekuti zvinhu zvinonaka nekuti kana ukaona mabizo
Councillor Madzokere, yet you have earned the Gambonama picture survivors helping me running around to my diploma and this Budam Jerinechi, Maita Chikoro. What did you do to while up time in the jail?
Ndiri murimad prison. Ndakaita diploma public relations and client services. Kenyukezvi ndizvo ndichiri mwana wechikoro. Ndamu third year, second semester. With a Bachelor of Science Winners in Development Studies.
With which university?
Zimbabwean University. Challenge iripo ndeyekuti hapana imwe institution muZimbabwe yatakwanisa kuita nayo. Neyekuti mujeri hamukwanisi kunoattend conventional lessons, hamukwanisi kana kuita even in other university because hamukwanisi kuita block release, hamukwanisi kuattend conventional classes. Saka distance education so far yanga ichingofana kuZimbabwean University, so we have no choice.
Koma Maengahama mujeri maipedza nguva muchiita nechi, what were you occupying yourself during your time in detention?
Well, in 2017 I enrolled for a degree program with the Zimbabwe Open University. So I'm a student of religion and theology. I'm in my 4th year, the last semester of my 4th year. So I'm expecting to graduate at the end of this year as a student of religion and theology.
We have a pastor here, Charlie. Last remarks is Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights lawyer who worked with Maengahama Beatrice to secure the release of Councillor Madzokere. Last Maengahama.
Thank you so much. Like I was indicating earlier on, it's a bag of mixed feelings. On one hand, we are really sad that it has taken this long for us to get here. On the other hand, we are ecstatic that our clients are free now, they've been acquitted, they've been vindicated, and they are out now. They have to live their lives now, have their families with them. So we are happy, and I indicated that what has happened is a serious indictment of the criminal justice system. That people have had to stay this long in custody, serving a jail term, and then be acquitted 5-8 years later. It's quite regrettable, but for now we take this opportunity to just celebrate.